After cutting is completed in the first area, relocate the linear rail to the second location. Move the rail in an increment of 4 inches. Move the engraver along the rail. Check that the blade is aligned with the groove and anchor each rail standoff. The closest cut the engraver can make to the linear rail is 15.5 inches. The connecting bar is drilled at 4-inch intervals. Therefore, when determining where to mount the rail, use measurements that are multiples of 4, then add 15.5 inches to that measurement to mount the linear rail. To cut a soldier course brick border, first engrave the long border cuts with the super compact running track free. Then snap a chalk line parallel to the border cut, 11.5 inches out. Place the linear track base along the snapped chalk line. Notice that the round linear guide rail is set closest to the line. Slide the linear carriage onto the rail with the indexing hole oriented closest to the engraver. Allowing the linear carriage to run off the rail's end will damage the bearings. Use the included collars to safety the carriage. Adjust the primary connecting bar stroke length for the bricks being cut. Attach the rigid pointer system to the plunger block. Use the 4-inch pointer for soldier course brick cuts and the 6-inch or 12-inch pointers for tile or stone cuts. To hold the engraver in place through each cut cycle, chalk, block, or wedge the linear carriage with your toes. Begin the brick cutting within the mitered corner area. Be sure to undercut these lines. Remember, it is easier to touch up an undercut than repair an overcut. Make the first cut, then use the 4-inch pointer to measure the next brick cut. Using the 4-inch pointer, continue cutting bricks along the border. Slide the linear base along the chalk line to the next section and continue cutting bricks.